All right, team. Scan the front armor plating. Roger.
Check the main power relays first.
Watch the rust. That metal is fragile.
Analyze the structural integrity. Check the corrosion levels on the primary components. Running diagnostics now.
All right, let's see what's in here.
Careful with that old wiring. The damage here is worse than it looked.
Focus the light on that connection point.
We need to reinforce it before we attempt the alignment.
All right, let's see what's in here.
Careful with that old wiring. The windshield frame is badly corroded. I'm checking the side panels now. They're precarious. Focus on those access steps. They need The front three are completely seized.
Agreed, the bearings are gone.
Focus on the hydraulics at the rear, see if we can get any movement there.
The primary hydraulic valve is severely corroded. Confirmed. The casing is compromised. Technician, get the bore scope on the crossmember here. Check for structural integrity. On it.
The oxidation on the rear axis is extensive.
Structural integrity at the base is compromised.
I'll mark this entire section for plating replacement. Position the lift frame under the second axle.
Copy that. Frame going down now.
Check the tension on the front chain. Ensure it's secure.
Keep the pace slow and steady. Watch the chain tension on the rear.
Tension looks good, pulling strong. The undercarriage is shaking loose.
Keep it slow. Adjust that strap.
It's coming down. Ready the chains.
Secure the front axle.
Keep it steady. Slow. A little further, you're good.
Good.
Stop right there. Perfect.
The cargo area is heavily rusted.
Check the wheel mounts.
We have a lot of work ahead of us.
Fire it up. Beginning main sequence.
Check the grill.
Hitting the horn details. Keep it steady. Watch the pressure on that seam.
Got it. Just got to get this heavy grime off here. Keep working on the suspension. Check the caliper seal for any remaining corrosion. All right, looking now. All right, tension the chains slowly. Copy.
Engage lift.
Monitor the seals. This is a critical point.
Secure the forward mounts. Check tension on the rear. Proceed with the lift.
Keep it steady. Watch that hydraulic. All right, lowering just a fraction. Clear the wires below. All right, slowly down. Watch the angle, over to the right.
Stop.
Stop. Secure the front brackets. Got it? All right, hook it up. Ready? Lift.
Check the seal here.
Heavy corrosion.
The corrosion here is extensive, especially on these mounts. Agreed. We'll need a full bead blast.
All right, cables disconnected.
Coolant lines cleared.
Initiate the lift. Keep it slow.
Clear of all attachment points.
Lifting now. All right, cables disconnected.
Coolant lines cleared.
Initiate the lift. Keep it slow.
Clear of all attachment points.
Lifting now.
Engaging lift. Steady now.
Clear.
Clear on the left. Watch the cables. Slow traverse.
All right, secure it tight.
Chains are set.
Technician B, get the lights. Technician C, parts trays. Look at this corrosion here. That's where we start.
Keep the movement slow and controlled. That's it. Looking good, team. Okay, leader, we're getting through it.
Almost done with this section. Keep it steady. The rust on these brackets is tough. The pipe looks good, just need to finish this section. Watch the residue, don't want it getting into the valves.
Keep the corroded pieces here.
Right, salvageable on the left.
Yes, inspect that gear first.
Vacuum's done, checking the specs now. Keep an eye on the pH level.
Understood.
And start prepping the radiator housing now. The seals and bearings are all verified and organized here.
Understood, leader.
Good, focus on the head gasket area now.
Yes, ma'am, working on it.
Keep it steady. Tighten those bolts evenly.
Okay.
That's it, looking good.
Secure that coolant line.
Here.
Wiring's looking good. Hand me the torque wrench, please. All connections are tight.
The intake manifold is pristine.
Looks perfect, boss.
Just one last check on the fuel line fittings.
Agreed.
The stress fractures are deep near the primary hydraulic mount. We'll need a full replacement here.
Understood. Preparing the plasma cutter now.
Measure twice, cut once.
Looks like a good match.
Initiating the press cycle.
Make sure the torque is precise on that connection.
Got it, boss.
Good, the alignment looks solid. Let's finish the plates.
Torque the front mounts to specification. Confirmation on mount 5. Rear axle alignment looks good. Give it one final check. Okay, verified. System's clear.
All right, time for the final details.
Looking pristine, great job.
Almost ready to roll.
Keep it steady. Tighten those bolts, guys. One more section here. Looking good on this side.
The chassis looks solid.
Yes, leader. Suspension's checked.
Excellent. Let's start the engine.
All right, watch the harness. It's loose, lowering it now. Clean up that edge. Almost done here. Tight. Need another bolt here. Hand me the torque wrench. Solid.
The mounting brackets are secure.
Good. Start the diagnostic sequence.
Cables connected. Check the alignment.
Housing is secure. Now for the tightening.
Almost done. There, perfect.
The horns look perfect.
Let's calibrate the eye sensors.
Proceed.
All right, pull that bracket.
It's stuck. Give me the torque wrench.
Watch for the wire harness.
Line the plate up with the frame. Okay, boss.
It's set.
Perfect fit. Good job. Now secure the edges.
The primary supports are in place. We can move to the secondary anchors. Confirming tolerances here.
Looks solid. Proceed with the electrical mounts.
The connection is brittle. Confirming the faulty module. Hand me the new unit, please.
The last instrument housing.
Perfect. Just a screwdriver.
Line it up exactly.
This wiring's perfect.
Now the interface.
Secure the connection.
The stress test passed, Commander. Excellent. Let's install the cushioning. Careful, align it perfectly.
Fits like a glove.
Commander, how's the support?
Green light. System operational.
Proceed with panel installation.
The door panels are almost ready, ma'am.
Check it, ma'am.
Checking the fittings. Everything looks perfect. Good work. Cut the beam there, just above the bracket.
Understood.
Check the alignment of the new support. Excellent work, Character B. Make sure to check the curvature near the horn.
Copy that, Character A.
And Character C, keep that steady rhythm on the box. It looks perfect.
Keep it steady on the horn base. Almost done here. Looks much cleaner.
Watch the teeth, don't want to scratch them.
The texture is perfect here. Let's move up. All right, keep the pressure even on this seam.
The finish is perfect.
Outstanding work.
Ready for delivery.
Keep it steady. Watch the right side.
Slow and deliberate.
Just a little more.
Stop. Adjusting now. All right, lowering slowly.
Clearance on the right is good. Watch the bracket on this side.
Torque reading is perfect.
Electrical is connected.
Tightening the main bolts now. Check the hydraulic line connections. Electrical cables are secured.
Keep it steady. Slowly down.
Got it.
Perfect. Secure it. Keep it steady. Down slowly.
All right, she's lining up.
Just a bit more to the left. Perfect.
Locks engaged. Let's start the connections.
Check the coolant lines, B.
Hydraulic connection secure, leader. Wiring testing complete.
Excellent work, team. We're almost ready. Align this edge carefully.
I've got it.
Almost there. Secure it.
Check the dashboard loom again.
Copy. Looking for loose connections.
And verify the main power module has a clean signal.
The fuel injection system checks out green.
Good. Now, let's verify the sensors on the cooling array.
Front pressure's holding steady.
Okay, engaging the rear lift.
Verified. Moving to the steering mechanism.
Initiating test cycle.
Looking good. No leaks spotted.
Turn left.
Turning left.
Center. Now right.
Copy that. Turning right.
Center, then stop. Check alignment.
Set the pressure to 50 psi. Affirmative. Inspecting rear axle mounts now. Pressure holding. Check the brake connections.
Powering up the light circuits now. Voltage is stabilizing nicely. Looks like a solid burn.
Torque spec is good here.
Check the main fuel line connection, Carol.
Secured. Electrical harness clear. Confirmed. All systems green. Ready for ignition. Engaging systems. All checks green. Stand by for ignition. Ignition sequence initiated. We have power. Engine cranking. Success. She's alive. Phenomenal work. Ignition successful. Pressures are stable.
Exhaust clear. Running beautifully.
Perfect. We did it.
The mounting points are secure.
Good. Now let's check the wiring.
This area looks perfect now.
Let's check the horn details. Nice work, team.
Cargo door looks secure. Check the pressure on the rear axle. All clear. Looks ready for the road.
The restoration is complete.
It's magnificent, leader.
Truly a marvel of engineering.
Keep it steady. Looking good, team.
Impressive work, leader. Smooth as silk. Engaging steering. Wheels are turning smoothly. Suspension looks natural. Nice work, team. It passed.
The chassis is holding up perfectly. No signs of stress on the cab mounts either. Let's check the tires one last time before we park it for the night.
After years of dedication, we present the fully restored Bison, a marvel of engineering.
The Vorkneck, fully restored.
It's perfect.
Absolutely. Ready for the road.